Hello, my name is Miguel Hernandez, and I am currently a mathematics student at Channel Islands University. And this is a presentation on a summative assessment I have created. It's called Scouts in Action, and students will be asked to take on the role of MBA Scouts. The purpose of this project is to inspire students to become technologically driven and mathematically skilled. By incorporating a real-world topic, students will be able to make connections and understand the role statistics play in everyday life. Students will not only analyze data, they will create graphs, build a claim for their project, and justify their claim. This project is meant to inspire students to create their own studies and analysis, as well as to prepare them for college courses, but most importantly, to encourage students to pursue math-based careers. The objectives. Students will be asked to analyze the data provided and apply skills previously learned to organize a pre-selected NBA player's total points scored in 2 seasons. The pre-selected points will be provided by the educator, and these points can be found on basketballreference.com. These will be the actual points scored in these 2 seasons. Students will be asked to find the mean, median, mode, outliers, and the 5-number summary for the total amount of points an NBA player scored in each season. Students will create bar charts, box plots, and pie charts in order to demonstrate the results. Students will write a claim and participate in a debate in order to persuade the class as to why their NBA player is a better choice for the team. The debate is very important in this project, and students seem to enjoy the rivalry aspect very much. Since our project is meant for high school students enrolled in a statistics course, these will be our 3 common core standards. And now the project. For this project, students will explore a math-based career in the sports industry. Students will take on the role of MBA scouts and make data-based decisions. Students will work collaboratively to analyze the pre-selected NBA point guards' total points scored in seasons 2017-2018 and 2018-2019, as well as research their personal achievements throughout their career. Students will be asked to organize the data and make simple calculations to find the mean, median, mode, outliers, and a 5-number summary. With their data, they will have to create models that represent their data. Students will be required to create 2 different histograms, 2 different box plots, and 2 different pie charts, 1 for each season. Students will be asked to prepare a 3 to 5 minute PowerPoint presentation to present an organized statistical summary of their players' success in the last 2 seasons. They will use their findings to write a claim. Each group will present their summaries and models to the class and conduct a debate against another group to persuade the class on why the player's set of skills and talents make them the better player to draft into our team. At the end of the debate, the class will be asked to vote on who made the better argument. Students will not be graded on the class vote, but instead will receive extra points. And here is an example of what an educator would expect. Here we'll be looking at Devin Booker, an NBA point guard, and the total points scored in each game throughout seasons 2017-2018 and 2018-2019. Again, these points can be found on basketballreference.com. Here's an example of what the project would look like. Here, in this slide, we see Devin Booker's information, which means this slide will be used to introduce the NBA player to the class. This slide will include information such as their birth date, their height, college they attended, and the total number of injuries throughout their career. Students can incorporate more information that would persuade the class on voting for them. Here, we have a list of his achievements throughout his career. Again, these facts can be used to persuade the class. On the third slide, we deliver our claim. The claim, for example, is Devin Booker is not only an amazing athlete, but an amazing human being. He is what we need in our team. Since students are given the chance to conduct their own research, they too can add extra information, such as the information I added on this slide. I decided to include fundraisers, charities, and other good deeds Devin Booker has done throughout his life to persuade the classroom on. And now to defend their claim, not just with their achievements, but the numbers. Here we have an analysis of the 2017-2018 season. Devin Booker had an average of 20.7 points per game, a median of 24, a mode of 0, no outliers, and a 5-number summary, which was used to create the box plot provided. Students will use this information to debate and defend their claim. Here we have another chart that is comparing games versus points. Here we see a range of points versus total amount of games played. Here's a pie chart that provides the percentages. Again, all this information is meant to defend their claim. Here is the second season, 2018-2019. He had a total of 1,700 points, an average of 20.7 points, a median of 24 points, a mode of 0 points, no outliers, and another 5-number summary with a box plot. Here is another chart, and here's the pie chart. All this information will be needed to defend their claim at the debate. Both teams will be asked to present their findings and will be given the chance to defend their claim. And that is the end of my presentation. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much. If you have further questions, you may contact me at miguel.hernandez050@myci.csu.edu. Thank you.